I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Wonderboom 2 battery indicator. The Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker is a highly durable and portable Bluetooth speaker that delivers good sound at a good price. The Wonderboom 2 boasts a simple interface with relatively few buttons, but while that minimalist approach gives the device a clean appearance, it can make it difficult to figure out how to perform some basic functions, such as checking your Wonderboom 2 battery life. Now let's walk through the steps to check your Wonderboom 2 battery status so you can get back to enjoying your Bluetooth speaker. Step 1. Hold down both the volume up and volume down buttons on the front of your device for roughly 3 seconds. Eventually, you'll hear one of 3 sounds that will serve as your UE Wonderboom 2 battery level indicator. If you have a lot of battery life left, you'll hear this sound. If your Wonderboom 2 has about half of its battery life left, you'll hear this sound. And finally, if your UE Wonderboom 2 battery is running low, you'll hear this sound. What do you think about the audio quality of your UE Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker? Let me know in the comments, and click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.